Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming the week of January 28th to February 3rd, and this is actually the first week in the month of February, or in the February section of my planner. So I'm super excited to be moving into my February spreads. It's going to be a lot of pink happening this month. I am already prepping myself mentally because I feel like there's pink in every single one of the kits that I'll be using in February, and I'm excited about it because I love pink. So this week I'm starting off with a kit from the Giving Girl, and this is her Life is Magical kit. And as you can see, I only have 2 pages here, and that is because I purchased this kit a la carte. It is a much fuller kit than this. I want to say the full kit is like 7 pages, so there's much more that comes with the kit, but I picked up the full boxes, and I love that she does this scattered foil pattern. There's just so much foil all over all of these full boxes. It's so beautiful and so unique. And then down at the bottom we've got these are too small to be half boxes, but they look a little bigger than quarter boxes, so I want to say maybe third boxes. And then these date covers. The date covers were what originally drew me to the Giving Girl shop. I want to say, I think her name is the Graceful Planner. I'd seen her use a Giving Girl kit, and I saw the date covers. They were so unique. I hadn't seen anything like it before, and this was sometime last year. This was the first time I actually saw it, and it just took me a while to get around to actually ordering a kit and getting a chance to use one. So I'm really excited to finally have a Giving Girl kit and be trying this out. I think this is so beautiful. So I've got the bottom washi, some date covers, and I've got my full boxes, which means I'm going to be pulling in tons of other things. And I have some half boxes from the Giving Girl. She does these amazing notched box style half boxes, which I just think are so beautiful. And I have these in cotton candy, which I think is going to complement this kit perfectly well. And I'm using gold foil this week. And then she also has these, which are her scalloped half boxes, which I think are also adorable. I pulled out my foiled headers, and this is my collab with Artbox Stickers, and I think these are going to go beautifully with this. But let's be honest, I'm going to be using these all month because I just got my headers in, so you'll be seeing me use them a lot this month. And then from Artbox Stickers last $2 Tuesday, she had these cute scalloped quarter boxes, and this has gold foil, and this is the soft pink colorway that she did, and I think that's going to work well with this. And then these half boxes from Artbox Stickers, which are in her eggshell with gold foil. I think I'm going to be using all of this, so we'll see. And this and more. This is just kind of the first couple of things that I pulled out just to kind of give myself some options. So I'm gonna get started putting down my foundation pieces, my bottom washi and date covers and sidebar, and let's get into this layout. Starting by placing down the bottom washi, and I actually used some whiteout on the lines in the bottom of the page so that the lines wouldn't show through the bottom washi. And then I'm going to move on to the date covers, and I'm using these date dots from Artbox Stickers. They're gold foil, and I liked the foil better than the regular date dots that came with the kits because they were not foiled. Then I am putting down the headers. I whited out that 2019 at the top because these are pretty tall date covers. And I'm using page flags from Clever Gal Crafts, and this is from the Sophie colorway, and it's the classic drizzle dots pattern. And once I've finished putting down the page flags, I'm going to start on my sidebar, and I'm using the quote box which says Life is Magical, and then I'm using one of my collab headers from Artbox Stickers for the first time, and I was so excited putting down that sticker. And then from the Colorful Boxes sticker books, I'm using some of their quarter boxes, and then adding a script sticker from Rose Colored Daze, and that says school. And I am creating my school section where I'm going to keep track of my discussion posts for the week. And then the next quarter box, I'm placing the script word meals, and that is where I will be tracking my dinners for the week. And I am making my own weekly tracker, and I'm using a full box from the Colorful Boxes kit, and then this Monday through Sunday sticker is from Rose Colored Daze. And then I am adding another one of those header stickers from Artbox Stickers just to add some deco to the bottom of that box. And then I want to finish off the sidebar with half of this full box. So I moved it to the corner so I could cut it in half, and then it fit perfectly at the bottom of that sidebar space. I'm going to start scattering my full boxes, and I'm starting with the double full box. So I used some whiteout and placed that down on Saturday and Sunday. And then on Thursday, I placed another full box down at the bottom. And then on Friday, it is the 1st. So I'm using this Hello February script from Rose Colored Daze and layering that on top of Friday's full box. Placing another full box at the top of the page on Tuesday. And then on Monday, the first thing I'm going to put down is a half box where I'm going to write my homework that I need to turn in because it's due that day. And then I'm placing Monday's full box right above that. And last but not least, on Wednesday, I am placing the full box in the center, and I love the key design on that full box. It's so pretty. Adding the weekend script right underneath the double full box on the weekend. And then at the top of Monday, I'm using a bow mug sticker from Artbox Stickers and layering a little gold bow from Tassel Planner right on top of that. And making a note that I went to Whole Foods and picked up one of their little grab-and-go breakfasts right before work. And then I'm using a half box, a gold foiled half box, and layering a laptop sticker from Artbox Stickers because we had to submit our performance review paperwork at work. And then I'm using a calculator sticker to mark reviewing my weekly budget, and that sticker's from Nicole Hutch Designs. I'm using a header sticker from a leftover from an old kit that I used and layering one of those Artbox sticker header stickers on top of that. And then I'm putting down a car sticker from Planning Lids and marking gassing up my car. On Friday, we were having a pre-Super Bowl party at work, and so I needed to make a reminder note for myself to bring some cash on Tuesday because our department was responsible for the pizza for that party. Each department was responsible for a different type of food, and our contribution from our department was pizza. And then underneath that, I placed another header and then used a bow sticker from Artbox Stickers to mark the chapters that I needed to read for school. Next, I'm adding a half box sticker from Regina Laughs and layering a Don't Forget script sticker from Paper Focus. And I'm making a note to cancel my HBO free trial. I tried out the free trial on Amazon Prime and didn't care for it and wanted to remind myself to cancel it so they didn't charge me for it. Then down at the bottom, I'm using a TV sticker from Regina Laughs and marking the show The Passage. And then I'm going to add some little sparkle stars, I guess you would call them, from Tassel Planner, just to mimic the shimmer that's happening on some of the other full boxes. The next thing I want to mark is taking down my hair, because I had my hair in crochet braids and I wanted to take it down and wash my hair. And so I'm using a heart sticker, and that came from the Rose Colored Daze Nicki Plans freebie, and then layering a to-do script from GP Sticker Studio and making that note. And then on Wednesday, I put down a half box from Artbox Stickers, and then above that, another half box from The Giving Girl, and layered this Instagram script from Fancy Sticker Prints to mark my midweek post. Between there, I'm going to use a header as a divider, and I love the fact that it's on clear paper because it works as a divider and a header. And then I'm using a quarter box, and that podcast icon is from Moonlight Paper Co. And underneath there, I'm using a half box, layering a bow sticker from Sadie Stickers and these balloon stickers from Artbox Stickers. And I'm going to mark a party that was happening at work, which means free lunch, always awesome. And then on Thursday, I'm placing down a flat lay from Taylor & Tucker and laying a script that says Planning Sesh, and that is from Artbox Stickers. On Friday, I'm using another one of those Sadie's bows, and the TGIF script is from Nedi Designs. Then I wanted to make note of the pre-Super Bowl party we were having at work, and so I used a half box from the Colorful Boxes sticker book and some balloons from Rose Colored Daze. Then on Saturday, I'm using another one of those half boxes from Artbox Stickers. Above that, I'm placing a little laptop sticker from Planner Pixie Co. and a to-do script from GP Sticker Studio and marking my homework assignment for the week. And then on Sunday, I'm using a half box, another one of those Sadie's bow stickers to mark the Super Bowl. And that football came from a ShawntePlans freebie, and that came in handy. I don't need footballs often, but I was glad I had one. Back on Saturday, that butterfly is from a Plush Paperie's freebie, and then that sleep in sticker is from GP Sticker Studio. On Wednesday, I'm using a house sticker from the Tasseled Planner, and I'm marking that one of my best friends who now lives out of state was coming home for a visit. And then on Sunday, I'm using a quarter box and layering a YouTube play sticker, and that's from Artbox Stickers, adding a little bow from Tasseled Planner, and I just want to mark that my plan with me is going to go live, which means I need to finish up my editing and voiceover on Saturday, and I used a Tasseled Planner clapper sticker to mark that. Above that, I'm using a label sticker from Sadie Stickers and layering a nail polish sticker from Artbox Stickers to mark painting my nails. At the top of Sunday, I'm using another one of those headers from my leftover kit and then layering another one of those Artbox Stickers headers on top of that. And then I am lifting up the TV sticker from Tuesday because I wanted to add one of those label stickers because I felt like it needed kind of a box shape at the bottom on Tuesday. Then on Saturday, I lifted those stickers up to add a gold header from Rose Colored Daze under them. The top of Thursday, I used a half box and I'm layering a work laptop sticker from Planner Pixie Co. And that came from one of her freebies. And I'm making a note that it's month end, so it's going to be a busy work day. On Monday, I'm layering a homework script sticker from Planner Girl Stickers on top of that half box. And then on Wednesday, I am adding a pen sticker from GP Sticker Studio. So cute with the little bow on top. On Thursday, I'm using this heart sticker from White Deer Stationery, and I just want to mark my friend who came for a visit. We were going to have a girls' night out, her and my friend Tiff. And then above that, I am adding a half box from The Given Girl, and I'm making a note to get my homework done at lunch so I would be able to go out with my friends that night. And so I needed to get my homework done. Back to Tuesday, and I'm using undo for the first time to lift up that quarter box so I can make note because it was my niece's 4th birthday, and I'm such a terrible aunt because I totally forgot. I'm really bad at birthdays, guys. I'm sorry. But I wanted to change that because her birthday was way more important than that podcast. And I'm using this cute little girl and unicorn sticker from Planner Pixie Co. and marking that it was her 4th birthday. And then on Thursday, I'm using a cell phone sticker that's actually from my new freebie with Artbox Stickers and layering a bow from Tasseled Planner on top of that because I thought it looked really cute. And then just marking an important phone call I needed to remember to make on Thursday. And then on Friday, I'm using a quarter box and a script sticker to mark my best friend who was home for a visit. It was her birthday. It was on Friday, and I wanted to mark that down in my planner. Side note, I totally said that I'm really bad at birthdays. In my planner for last year, I actually have her birthday written down on the wrong day. And we've been best friends for 15 years. That's how bad I am at remembering birthdays. At the bottom of Friday, I'm using this cute little girl who's sitting on a bed, and that's from Planner Pixie Co. And then I added a relax script sticker from Paper Focus. And then above that, I'm using this cute little flag that came from a Given Girl sampler. And I'm going to layer a gold bow from Tasseled Planner on top of that. And I'm using that to remind myself to do some social media PR posts and reply to comments. Then I'm taking a bow sticker from a sampler from Simply Watercolor Co. and adding that to a script sticker from Letters to Apollo that says church. And then I decided I wanted to layer that over a quarter box, so I pulled this one from a Rose Colored Daze sampler, and it's got these gold dotted lines around it, which I thought were super cute, and I used that to mark church on Sunday morning. And then I added a planner card sticker from GP Sticker Studio and added a little sparkle from Tasseled Planner, and I made a note that I want to reorganize my planner stickers and my planner cart. And then I'm adding a little bit more of those sparkles to the page. And that is my completed spread for this week. I had so much fun planning with this kit. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.